Are you looking to get healthy naturally and enjoy your life? Watch this video to discover why the Essential Blend is our fastest growing product line and why this powerhouse of holistic nutrition is preferred by natural health advocates in our community. My name is Al Marenton. I'm the owner-founder of MOVIDA. I've been a holistic health advisor for 30 plus years. I'm the creator and formulator of all of MOVIDA's product lines, including the Essential Blend line, and this is the product line that I personally take for my specific situation. So after more than 2 decades of development and refinement, our full spectrum Essential Blend line was born. Our proprietary whole plant extraction contains the full cannabinoid profile of the hemp plant, as well as a variety of essential nutrients and trace elements, making the Essential Blend line a veritable powerhouse of holistic nutrition. These full spectrum capsules and drops contain all the goodness of the hemp plant, delivering a wider variety of cannabinoids and essential nutrients than our CBD only product lines. The more variety of beneficial nutrients you can ingest, the better your chances of achieving optimal health. Recommended by chiropractors and wellness professionals and preferred by natural health advocates, it's easy to see why the Essential Blend line of capsules and drops is our fastest growing product line. The Essential Blend line is available for purchase as capsules, drops, or as a combo kit. Scroll down this page or click on one of the links to get more info and gain access to the Essential Blend line. Again, this is Al Marenton with MOVIDA. Thank you and have a beautiful day. Peace.